Great choice, Don. Yes. We're ready to give that voice.